Assalamu alaikum. Hello, hi everyone. How are you? Welcome to SistersLoves channel. And in this tutorial, I'll show you how you can draw a maze by using the Easy Draw applications that I made a tutorial yesterday. So how you can do that? You can use the Scratch offline version, or even go to Scratch the online, create a new file. And if you follow the last tutorial how to draw a easy app, and you have to use that code for drawing your own maze. So I'll open my easy draw app file. So I will go inside. So I shared my code as well. If you check my tutorial and if you follow my tutorial and check in the description, you'll get all my code that I have shared for you. So I'll go inside. So here is the applications that I draw. So I change the backdrop. So how you can change the backdrop? Just the backdrop section, you'll go and search. You can, for when you draw the maze, first I will suggest you to use the grid, so it will be easy for you to design. So like if you think that what I am designed, so you will go simple maze for kids image, go to the google.com and search that, you'll get it. Anything you can try, any image. So for this tutorial I'll use the simple one, so it will be easy for me to draw. So it will take not only easy, it will take less time. So what I'll do, I will save that image in my local PC so that I'll follow and I'll show you how I move my scratch. So if you see the image, if I choose this one, it has a, like at certain position it will be start, then it will draw like moving up and down. So in my tutorial I show you when you use the left arrow key and right arrow key, we will change the direction. All this tutorial you will just follow how the direction change, and the position X and Y will use the up arrow key and down arrow key. This is very important. Like we know the center position, the coordinate, the stage is vertical wise, like Y coordinate the positive 180 and the negative 180, and the left to right, the right is 240 positive side and the negative X coordinate is minus 240. So first, like the maze, how it will be. Initially, this code I said like the maze is hide. So, but I want to show the sprites now because I will draw it, so it will be easy for me if I show my sprites. Either you can here the look section, it has the hide and show, but let me bigger screen so it will be easy. So look section you can get the show and hide, or in the right side the sprite section you can check the show and hide here. If you click it, show. If you hide it, it will hide. So initially I want to show it. It's the position. Now the dot, I name it dot. How I draw it, I went to the paint section, the sprites pen, then I draw like paint. Here I change the color, fill the color, what color I want, and I choose the circle one. That's if you follow my last tutorial, you will know how I draw this. Okay, so I'll go to the code sections. So now our green flag is clicked. So like the maze, I want to start. If you see the image, here is the image. I'll show you here. It will be easy for us to follow. Okay, and the setup is, if you want to wider pen size, it will, if you press W. If you want to change the color, if you press C, and the up and down arrow for movement and left and right arrow for the angle change. The code is here somewhere here, and N is the N I said that for the narrow size. So initially I will be happy with this color, the red color I choose, and if you want to change your pen size, suppose I want to change my pen size 4. So the green flag is clicked. Now let me check the image. I set the image here. So first I will start from that point. Okay. So I'll take my, it will, if I click it will go away. So better I'll take it on different screen. So you will follow, you will draw the image on your paper, then you follow. So the position is here. We need to, then you will check the direction. Okay. The direction is 0 degree. So if I use the 0 degree direction, then it will go either up and down. The 0 degree, if I want to move up, we will use the positive sign. And if you want to move the back, I mean opposite section, we'll use the bottom arrow section. But now in that position, so my sprite is here. I want to move the left. So for the move the left or right, I need to, the direction is 90 degrees or negative 90 degrees. So I choose, the direction is here 90 degrees. So I want to move left. So I'll use the negative sign. So if I use go to the right, it will use the positive sign. See, I'm using change the 90 degree. Now use the up arrow. It is going positive movement, but I want to go the left side. So I'll use the down arrow key. It will go to the negative side. Now I want to go down. So either up and down, if I use 0 degree or a 180, that's up to you. If I use the 180, then 80 means it will move vertical wise the negative coordinate. So if I use the negative arrow key, it will go up because I use the positive 180. If I use the negative 180, I can use the down arrow. So you'll practice little bit where it goes. So now I want to go down, so I'll use the up arrow here because I use now just draw. Then I have to go down into right little bit. So I'll change my degree is minus 90. If it is minus 90, then if I use the positive movement, I have to use the up arrow, but I am going to negative opposite side between the 90 degrees. I'll use the down arrow key. So here is set up. Then I want to go up, so I have to change the degrees. Then I'll go up. You'll keep practice, so you will understand. Then I want to go to the right side. I'll use the positive degree, and I'm moving the up arrow key. Suppose I have done this one. Now I want to move my another setup, so I'll use here. Then I'll go to the right side. I'll use up arrow. Then I use the, I want you to down, so I'll make my degrees is 0 degree or 180. If it's I set up 0 degree here direction, so I'll use the negative direction to go. So bottom I'll use, then like here now I want to go to the right left side, so I use the degrees. If it is 90, then I use the negative direction, negative movement. So the down arrow key, I want to up to that position. Now I want to move back little bit, so I'll set up, I'll use the move back the positive direction. With that applications, now I'll go up. Just keep practice, change the direction. Everything needs little bit practice. So 180 setup. Now I'll use the down arrow key because I'm going up. If I use 0 degree, I can use the up arrow key. So here is fine. So now I want to go to the left section. So I'll change the degree 90 and I use the negative direction side. So like this one. Okay. So it's done. Now I want to set up my degrees here. Okay. Now I'll go up. So for I need to change the direction 180. So I'll use this side. Okay. Then I'll use the, sorry about that, I'll use any degree, 90 degree. So I'll use the positive, change the degree. So you need practice, even I need also practice, so it doesn't matter, you'll keep practicing, so you'll learn it. Okay, then now I want to go to the 90 degree. I'll use that. Then again 0 degree, I'll go up. Then again I'll make the 90 degree and I'll go down. So now I'll make the 0 degree or 80 degree. Set the mesh. Now I want to draw here. So I'll set my position here and I want to change and to go move back. So 90 degree I'll use the negative section. Just move up and down here. Then I want to down. I'll set it 0 degree means I want to get down here. Then I want to move little bit left 90 degrees, so I'll use negative. I want to change my degree to little down. And to move 90 degree here. The maze is like your imagination how you can draw. So now I want to little bit down. I will leave as is this one here. So now I want to change it that position. Then I'll set the 90 degree and I'll go to the negative side. Then I'll change 180 degree. Then I want to get down. Now here I want to set it little bit. I want to see when you draw maze, it's your imagination that which way you want to go. So suppose you draw that one. Now you draw the maze. So now you can hide your sprites. You don't want to see your sprites. Now you can change your backdrop. Like go to the change backdrop, just plain blue sky. And if you want to like little bit light of your screen, so you go to the backdrops and the code section. Here I made the look section. It has the change the color effect. The color it will change or set the color. I choose the set the color and here is the drop down menu. You can try different things. What we'll do, I use the ghost to 10%, little. If you want little lighter, then you'll increase the number. So the 10% is it's little light. Then now, like I spent several times. So what you can do, right click and save image as your local PC. So like desktop, I choose the simple maze. So I save it. So like now I draw. Next tutorial will add sprites and we'll move around that to set the target, how it can do. That code I will set up. So then I will load these sprites from my computer. I'll show I save now. And next tutorial I'll show you like if you want to delete it, I can show you here now. Suppose it delete that. And now you want to add it. See here, you can load the sprites from here, upload sprite. Then you will go to there. Suppose you can change the sprite here. You can change the previous one and add this one. So next tutorial I will upload the maze I draw in this tutorial and I will add the sprites and will do code to apply a maze game. So I hope you like this tutorial, and if you like it, please like, subscribe and share with your friends, and do not forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you so much.